Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you? All are fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You use the same ID and password daily. Okay.
I'm regular.
This ID and password user. This is my community health ID and password. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Then today I sent out now one PPT morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Today topic that one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Why all are late? You should come in proper time. Otherwise, I will not agree your admission. Understand? Huh?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,
ma'am.
Yes.
All are coming middle means I will not agree. Okay, this one now, concept, objective, scope, and principles, philosophy of community health nursing. First chapter finished, no?
Yes, ma'am. First chapter finished.
Okay, this is the second chapter. Understand? What is the concept? We have one concept, no? Now we are studying in a GNM means we have one concept. Like that, health also have a concept. It means biomedical, ecological, psychological, and holistic concept. I took this chapter in a offline class before.
What,
No.
ma'am?
This chapter I took in offline classes.
Yes, ma'am. Community chapter, but only communicable disease you taken.
Okay. Concept of health. This is the concept. Each one, biomedical concept, ecological concept, psychosocial concept, holistic concept. This concept of health is very, very important. Okay, in always time exam, they are asking this one, concept of health. 4 types of concept of health is there: biomedical concept, ecological concept, and psychosocial concept, and holistic concept. What is the biomedical concept? Health is the absence of disease. It is means the main concept of biomedical is the health is absence of disease. It means absence ill. It means no disease. Okay, that is the health is absence of disease. Example, if one is free from disease, then he is considered healthy. Correct? No? Who anybody having any disease, it means fever and anything, jaundice, malaria, coronavirus, anything having means that is an infected patient. It means that man having disease. Okay, in biomedical means absence of disease. If one is free from disease, then he is considered healthy. That human being free from disease means that man is healthy. Correct now? Now I am suffering anything means I am healthy person or not? No. Yes or no?
No, ma'am, no.
Correct. That's why health absence of disease. It is based on a germ theory of disease. Question: malnutrition, chronic disease, accidental drug abuse, mental illness, environmental pollution, which leads to ecological concept. This is the ecological concept. It means this is the free from the disease. That only biomedical concept. Okay. Health is an absence of disease. Free from the disease that he is healthy. Based on a germ theory of drug abuse, mental illness. It is coming means that going that this that is concept of one health. It means understand or not biomedical concept?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Okay. Next one is the ecological concept. Ecologist, health is a dynamic equilibrium between man and his environment. Okay, that is the ecology. Health is dynamic equilibrium between man and his environment.
Ma'am, your sound is not audible properly.
Adjustment of human organism into his environment. Ecological concept. Health is what?
Ma'am, your sound is
Yes,
not
my sound.
properly. Not coming properly.
Why problem? I connected in internet. Now you can hear my sound.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here Wi-Fi disconnected. That's why. Okay. Next one is the ecological concept. Ecologist, health is dynamic equilibrium between man and his environment. It is relationship with the man and his environment. That is the ecological concept. Okay. And disease is maladjustment of the human organism. It is. This is the maladjustment. It means a small adjustment in a human organism into his environment. Health is implies the relative absence of pain and discomfort and continuous adaptation and adjustment into the environment to ensure optimal function. It means some environmental condition also not good means we are suffering so many problems no in healthy. Yes or no? You can hear my sound.
Yes, ma'am.
What I am asking. In environment, anything happen means you also suffered, no?
Ma'am, your sound
Yes or
not
no?
clear, ma'am.
Now
Ma'am, your
also not
sound
clear.
not clear.
In the environment, last week in your place, flood coming. That time you were so many people suffering, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Same like that. It means ecologist means health is a dynamic equilibrium between man and his environment. Okay. You people very much disturbing me. Okay. Next, ecological concept raised two questions. Imperfect man, imperfect environment. It means history show that improvement in human adaptation to natural environment can to lead to longer and better quality of life, even with the absence of modern healthy delivery services. It means environment is good means we are living condition also good. Okay. Perfect environment means that man also well perfect only. That environment also not good means that human beings also not good. That is the ecological concept. Understand?
Yes, ma'am. Understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one is the psychosocial concept. It means development in the okay. It is development of social science. Health is not one biomedical phenomena, but it is an influence between social, psychological, culture, economic, and political factors of the people concerned. Health, both biological and social. It means the psychosocial concept. It means socially, psychologically, culturally. We have one concept now. You people economic, correct now in West Bengal. Same here also have some social and psychological and cultural concept. That is the psychosocial concept. It means health is not a biomedical phenomena, but is influenced between social, psychological concept. It is men and social and psychological concept. That is the psychosocial concept. Okay. In holistic concept, here not mentioning. Okay, tomorrow I will give you what is the holistic concept. Okay, here not mentioning biomedical and ecological, psychosocial only mentioning, holistic not mentioning. Tomorrow I will take the holistic concept.
Okay.
Now
ma'am.
up to here, understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one is the, you can see, aim of community health nursing. What is the main aim? It to improve the quality of life, it to improve the standard of living, it to strengthen and self-care activities of the individual, and it to reduce risk factors. That is the main aim of the community health nursing. I already first time I'm taken class, that time community health nurse service I am explaining. What is that? She is posted one community as a community health nurse. She have some responsibility in that community. That is the aim of the CHN, to improve the quality of life. It means that society, she should improve the quality. Okay. And improve the standard of living. In living condition, she should inform her. She can't give the money and the expense anything. Healthy. Okay, this we are mentioning about the healthy environment. Understand? Aim of the community health nursing.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is the objectives of community health. Objectives. What is the objectives of community health? Provide antenatal, maternity, and postnatal care to the ensure safe pregnancy, delivery, and puerperium for the mother and children. Okay, that is the first one. It means in that community, anybody postnatal, antenatal, and maternity care, postnatal care. Correct now, in our community nurse will give and she will visit the home and she will ask that pregnant woman how is you taken vaccine or not, you taken the proper medication or not, and you take the all things she will ask now. That is the first one. Next, provide under 5 clinics for immunization. Immunization I already took and I conducted an exam also. Correct now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. That means you should provide. It means anybody immunization children have in our home means should ask to that your family members that baby is taking an injection or not, and pregnant woman. That is the immunization. Next is developmental assessment. That assessment, health assessment, next third chapter health assessment. That time you can understand what is the assessment. Okay. Next one is the advice on nutrition and child care. Okay, nutrition and child care. Next, treatment of minor ailments. Minor ailments means small types of injury anybody have in home means she want to take the care. And minor elements, one chapter also we have in last chapter. That time you can understand what is the minor elements. Okay. Next, providing encouragement and support to mothers. Okay. And provide clinical for treating adults and children for and minor elements, referral for major illnesses. Referral for major illness means minor illness means small types of illness. That small type of illness become major means she should refer the patient to another hospital. Okay. Next one is the health education. Next one is the provide facilities for family planning. What is family planning? What is family planning? Anybody? Don't know? Yes or no?
Don't know, ma'am. Don't know,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
What?
Kiranupam.
Huh? Just you tell what is family planning? Who told like that? Anuba. Can I tell?
Yes,
Ma'am, it's
ma'am. Yes,
Anupam,
ma'am. You
ma'am.
tell.
Anupam.
Huh? Family planning means after marriage, I want only one child means what you will do? I don't want another child.
Ma'am, Babin কি ডেকে দিবেন?
What in Bengali? Huh? We are nursing student now. Anybody asking about family planning means what you will tell? Okay, I will give explanation. In my family, I
Yeah.
have one child for operation. Correct now? Yes or no?
দরকার নেই।
Yes,
দরকার নেই।
ma'am.
Anything, that family planning will we will study in third year community health, third year community health. Okay. Anyway, you want to know what is the family planning? It means control the child. That only. Okay. And next one is the teach the correct use of common medication and drugs and the dangers of buying medicines and the chemist and markets. It means somebody have any fever means they will run in medical store and they will buy the medicine. No, they are not consulting doctor. Correct now?
Correct, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
How you know you want to understand or not? Much detailing I am giving explanation. No? That means you want to give a answer. No, you should community health means you should teach the people about the medicine and drugs and the dangers of buying medicine at the chemist and marketing. Any marketing, any medical store, they are running and they are taking the medicine and they are eating means anything happening means who will give the responsibility? That a chemist and they will tell I don't know like that. Correct now? But we are appointing one doctor and they are giving medicine means that is better. Okay. Next, explain and promote the use of the local health service in the community and advising people to seek the health care from safe, qualified health personnel. Okay. safe and qualified health personal care. Next, promote a project in community that will improve life for the people there. Example, women's cooperative, literacy program, provision of a safe water. Okay, that is a some community program is there that you should be promote that project work. Okay. Next, teach and demonstrate a healthy way to living. Teach and demonstrate a healthy way of living. In Anganwadi center, community health center, they will conduct the classes for the pupil. Okay. Next, assist the prevention and control of communicable disease. Any type of communicable disease affecting the society means you should prevent and control the communicable disease. Next, visit people in their own home and village to identify health needs and priorities and deal with the efficiency. Visit the people in their own home. You should visit the home or village and need the priorities and deal with the effectively. Next, promote the health of school children through the health service. Okay, promote the health of school children. School children is there now. There also you should go and give the health education and promote the health of the worker occupational health and maintain the promote the health of the elderly and handicapped. Old age people and handicapped people is there means you should promote the health of them and work in a close cooperation with the government and other localized organization to promote health and welfare of individual families and community. Okay, work in a close cooperation with the government and other local organization. Some local organization team is there. You should go and you should promote the health and welfare individual. Okay. This is the objectives of a community health. Understand? How many point is there?
15 point, ma'am.
point is there. At least you by heart 10 points. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Balance
Okay,
5
ma'am.
points. You will your own sentence and write. Then you will get the 10 mark. This 10 mark question. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is next year? Function of CHN. Same word, function, principle, and objectives of the community health means the same word, same sentence. You can write means you can just you study means you can write this all question answer. Correct now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Function of CHN. What is the function of community health nurse? Home visiting. Home visiting also we will take the later. Okay, what is home visiting? What is the purposes of home visiting? Okay, next, running child welfare clinic. Child welfare clinic. Next, running family planning clinic or assisting. Next, assist the nursing ANC and PNC, antenatal care and postnatal care. ANC means antenatal care and postnatal care. Next, conduct the school health service. Next, career out of assist the PHN, primary health nurse in inspection of a day care center. Okay, next, collection of information or data from the community. Next, health education. Next, record keeping. This is the function of CHN. Easy now?
Easy, ma'am.
Yes,
Easy.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Today, first class, no? I am taking fully means you can also borrow. You understand, no? What is the this one concept of health, biomedical, ecological, and psychosocial. Holistic, I will take after. Next,
Okay, ma'am.
part. Next, aim of community health nurse. This is the 5 point is the aim. Okay. Next, objectives of the health. It is 50 point is there. Next, function of CH, community health nurse. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Hmm? Nobody attending, only 36 member. How many? 34 member only attending. In my class, you should come time. Otherwise, I will not accept your class and you absent only. Understand? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, yes. Then today class, how
Yes,
nice or bad?
Nice, ma'am.
Okay, understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you should write
Yes.
the notes in your notebook. Chapter 2, community health, scope, objective, all things. Okay. Then coming time, submit. Otherwise, I will give severe punishment.
Okay, ma'am.
okay, ma'am.
Make the notes. And then show all notes. Chapter first, I don't want to get chapter 2. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then bye. See you tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am. See you, ma'am. Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Bye.
ma'am.
Same ID and same password. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Sharp. Sharp.
Ma'am.
Huh?
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.